In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to transfer Mega files to Google Drive. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to MultCloud over here and just search for it and then go up to multcloud.com. Once from here, it should look something like this, and this is 100% free for the first 5 GB. So from here, you'll just need to click Get Started for free. And then from here, you'll need to sign in using your email, password, create account, or you can use your Gmail, Facebook, or Apple ID. Once you're inside of the MultCloud dashboard, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll be able to see over here in the left-hand corner, Add Cloud. And from here, you'll just need to go over to Google Drive and then log into your Gmail account or Google Drive account. And you'll need to find the Mega over here and then sign into your Mega account. Once you've done all that, you'll be able to see over here my online services. You'll be seeing your Google Drive and your Mega account. From here, you can just go over to the specific account that you want to transfer something from to the other account. And from here, you'll just need to find a specific file, right click on it, and then you can share it or copy to, and then you can copy it to Mega or Google Drive. You can also click down here, select, and send it over to both of the drives if you want to do that. From here, you can just click OK. Now you can see over here the processing, the also Abgabe will be copying over to your Mega Drive. As you can see here, now it's processing and completed. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!